with me. What? It's true! Such a shame. Come sit down! Why would he do that? He gave me his letter. Dear Bovary, I moved away. Don't look for me, you skink! Peace out, Nick! P.S. I'm gay thanks to you. That's so sad. At least he sent you a nice picture. Yeah, but I'm gonna frame it, I think. It's a shame. So, why are you so fat? You certainly look like Rosie O'Donnell. I'm not fat. It's Nick's child. What? It's not my fault. He seduced me. Edie, you're crazy! Stand up! Sit down! I know I'll cheer you up. What? How about I call my old boyfriend Ramon? That sounds snazzy. It's ringing! He's gonna pick up! Hello? Hi, Ramon. What are you doing? I don't care. You wanna go on a date with Bovary? She's this really cute girl. You should date her. Alright, meet us at the tennis courts in 30 minutes. Alright. Bye. Hey, Ron. I'm Bovary.
Hey.
Are you ready to play tennis?
Oh yeah, let's go. Looking hot. Hey, maybe later you can see my ball bag.
Let's go. Oh.
Jeez. Oh, I like him big. How about I serve? Are you ready? Here you go. One more. One more.
Can you pick up my balls for me?
Only if you pick up my balls after.
That's so rude. That bitch. She's so rude. How could she want him? They better not date and make out. So rude. I'm gonna kill her.